The Voice Teams.
There we go, there we go. Congratulations. Hello, hello.
Hello po. Chinek ko talaga.
Ano pangalan mo?
I'm Antoinette Pauline po.
Pauline, paano nakatulong ang pagkanta sa'yo?
Nakatulong po sa akin yung pagkanta ko po to gain my self-confidence po. And syempre po, yung mga nakaka-inspire po yung pagkanta ko po sa ibang tao.
Ito yun, This is what this show's about, This show's about belief. That umikot kami because we believe in your potential. Now, I'll be honest. On the busier sections, some notes were not being hit. No? Understandable, right? Because sa akin, that vocal quality you have is very nice. Ready ka na eh. So, alam ko kung makapunta ang Camp Kawayan, it's a matter of how hard do you want to work for this. It's about work ethic. Ulit-ulitin natin yung kanta na yan until malinis yan. This is the gift of the show, Paulino. Another gift ng music is hindi ka solitary, hindi mag-isa yung journey ito. It's a collaboration. We are built because the people we meet along the way. That's the kind of artist we become. It's not because lumabas kami na ganito. It's who shook your hand, who gave you that warm advice in that time. Diba? So, I'm so happy for you that you're gonna have 3 coaches here. Pero, sana makapunta ka po, Ayan. Alright.
Ang gusto ko talaga yung tones ng boses mo. Napaka-sweet yung tones. Siyempre, I cannot see you, di ba? Pero, with my back facing you, feeling ko may confidence ka. Yung sinasabi mo, wala kang confidence, ang hinahanap mo yung confidence mo, nandyan na. So now I think, dun tayo magtatrabaho. Sa confidence mo, yung stage presence mo, yun lang. Kasi I don't want to mess around with your voice. Today is the first day of the rest of your The Voice team's life. Mark my words.
Masyado naman ginagalingan na itong dalaw kasi. This is the beginning of the rest of it. Pauline, I can hear na you've practiced this performance so many times. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi naririnig ko na kabisadong-kabisado mo na kung saan ka hihinga. Ang daming mga magkakadikit na mga salita ng kanta na low notes pa. So, most of the time, pag kinakanta mo yung low notes, pag hindi enough yung hangin mo sa katawan, mauubos ka, hindi ka aabot sa... gaganyan ka. Kanina, ang daming magkakadikit, pero lahat nahahatid mo siya. And that tells me so much about you. Yung attitude mo as a performer, as an artist, grabe yung dedication mo sa art mo. And I am looking for that type of artist na willing to go the extra mile. Kung nagpa-practice ng 3 beses yung ibang tao, magpa-practice ako ng 10. Ganon yung hinahanap ko. Yung artists na hindi pwede, yung pwede na yan. And I see that in you. And I hope that you choose me as your coach kasi kung ako yung pipiliin mo, hahanap pa tayo ng marami pang kanta na mapapakita mo yung mga kakayanan mo at pwede mo pang paliparin. Ngayon, nasabi na namin sa'yo ang lahat ng mga bagay na kailangan namin sabihin. Ikaw naman, nasa iyo na ang bola. Ikaw naman ang pipili kung kaninong coach mo gustong mapunta. Marteam, Team Supreme, or Camp Kawayan?
It sounds good.
Yung coach ko na pipiliin ko is...
Pauline, Marteam. It sounds good together. Pauline, Marteam.
I think po, matutulungan niya po ako sa journey ko and feeling ko po malalaman ko pa po kung ano po yung i-explore ko. And that coach is...
Marteam! Pauline!
Coach Casey po.
Pauline Supreme. It matches.
Sounds good. Happy! Oh my gosh. Are you ready to do the hard work?
Yes po.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Congratulations and welcome to Team Supreme. Oh my God. Thank you for choosing Team Supreme. Hard work, hard work. Ganyan na dedication.
Hello, hello.
Whoa, hi! Ano pangalan mo?
Ako po si JL Bador po.
At taga-san kayo?
Taga-Abra po.
Abra?
Opo.
Hindi ako umikot, my friend, because hindi ako familiar sa ganun genre ng music. Pero interesado ako sa parang may rap na mabilis, parang ikaw. Parang I can't believe hindi ka na umikot dahil yan talagang ang genre mo. So hindi ako familiar dyan, so I'm so sorry, hindi ako umikot. Pero napaka-talented ka. Ang dami kong pwedeng mangyayari sa'yo dahil sa talent mo. So thank you so much for being here.
Alam mo kasi medyo challenging talaga yung pinili mo no, na pyesa na gawin. Because kailangan ng isipin mo yung pagkanta, yung vocal. So isipin mo yung rap. Tapos yung rap, di mo lang pwede kantahin or daanan lang Kaya may papel ka, no? Visualize mo. Andun yung mga lyrics. Doon pa lang parang tawag ko, pinaplot mo yun Pinaplano mo anong gagawin mo doon Kung dito ka malutong, dito ka ano. Hindi mo lang pwede, kasama lang siya isang linya. Word for word rap. Ganong klaseng energy dapat ilagay mo sa bawat word. Pagbalik mo, any competition, gusto ko marinig yun Gusto ko na makita di ba? As they say, I want you to smoke them.
Sobrang interesting ng boses mo kanina kasi nung pumasok ka, iba yung tunog ng boses mo dun sa boses mo nung kumakanta ka na ng chorus, ng verses. Para siyang dalawang magkaibang tao. Pero siguro dahil nagde-develop pa yung boses mo. Pero ang ganda sana ng idea na medyo free time, almost a cappella yung pasok mo Pero kanina medyo nagdadalawang isip ka lang dun sa pasok mo na nabigyan ka na ng chord pero parang hindi lang agad nakalanding dun sa kailangan saktong-sakto. So yun, practice mo pa, tapos magde-develop pa naman yung boses mo So, who knows, baka next time makita ka ulit namin. Okay? Good job pa rin.
Good job.
Thank you, JL.
Parang mas gusto niya mag-rap, no?
Di ko pa.
Maliban sa pagkanta, ano ang iba mong hilig?
Actually po, ang hilig ko po, mag-upload po ng video sa TikTok po. Tapos, may isa po akong video na umabot po ng 7.6 million.
What? Wow.
Hindi mo lang pala kami kailangan. Napakasikat mo.
What video? Anong video yan?
Video yun?
Anong ginagawa?
Yung upuan po.
Ayan, mismo.
Kusa ko lang po na pinost yun, tapos hindi ko pin-expect na magkakaroon ng views na ganun po.
Dami yun, no?
Imagine nyo, 7-point-something million and counting, Kaya naman ngayon, tatapatan natin yung content na yon at okay lang ba nasasamahan tayo ng The Voice coaches? Okay lang ba i-recreate yung mismong video na yon? Tawagin na natin Coach Martin, Coach Casey, and Coach Bamboo.
Oh, we're gonna rap?
Yes.
Subukan niyo ang tumayo at baka matanaw ninyo ang tunay na kalagayan ko. Kayo po na nakako. Subukan niyo ang tumayo at baka matanaw ninyo ang tunay na kalagayan ko. Naupunan niyo po ba kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at palawag na bakuran? Mataas na pader, pinapaligiran at nakapilang mga mamahalik sa sakyan. Mga bahay na laging bulong ng bulong, wala namang kasal pero marami ang nakabarong. Bakas pa ng ulan, walang butas ng ayuda po.
Pakot po natin si JL!
Hi, my name is Pauline Gwenji Ignacio po.
Reason for not turning. Tatsulok, buklod. That's a special song, no? Baka critical ako. If it's something you do and you put your heart out every time you get on stage, when I sing that song, right? There's meaning to it. Ilang beses nawawala ako sa kanta na yun. So, baka yun ang hinahanap ko, no? I wanted to get lost in you. You had a very nice, soulful rendition of that song. Pero ako kasi nahanap ko yung buhos ng emosyon. Yun na. Alright? So, that's all it is.
Me naman, I know that she would turn. I knew if she didn't turn, I would punish her because this is she's someone who really needs your soulful voice. So you belong on the team of Soul Supreme, KZ Tandingan.
Parang hindi ko alam kung ako dapat ang magtanong na ito. Sa kinanta niya, feeling ko, alam ko na yung sagot. Pero tatanong ko pa rin, sino ba ang mga influence mo sa pagkanta?
Si Coach Bamboo po.
Oh!
All good, all good.
Bakit gustong-gusto mo si Coach Bamboo? Para makonsensya siya?
It's okay.
Yeah, what's wrong with me?
Yeah, what's wrong with cool?
No, what is it about them?
Magaling po talaga siya.
thank you.
Talagang...
This is,
Nako,
thank
sinabi
you.
mo.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Anong favorite song, bamboo song? Anong favorite bamboo song?
Pagsulok po.
Ayun na.
Let's do it together.
Is it the same key here? Let me, you want me to give it a shot?
You want to sing it with
I'll
bamboo?
give it a shot. I'm a little hoarse.
Come on!
Make her dream come true.
AKA Buklod. Hey, congratulations, ha?
Toto'y makinig ka, huwag kang magpagabi. Makapagkamalangkat, humandusay dyan sa tabi. Toto'y kumilos ka, baliktarin at tatsulok. At tulad ng dukha na iligay mo sa tukto. Habang may tatsulok at sila ang nasa tukto, di magtatapos. Hindi magtatapos. Hindi magtatapos. Part of the problem mo, ito ang part of the solution.
Di ka kasya sa akin.
Hoy, diretso Tagalog diretso. Di ka kasya sa akin. Kanina kasi, the reason why I turned sa'yo, pinapakinggan ko kung paano mo binibitawan ng bawat salita. At nararamdaman ko na every time may ginagawa ka, there's commitment. Yun yung parang hinihingi ng kanta. Na ibibigay mo ang lahat. And isa sa pinaka-importante is, kahit hindi ako nakatingin sa'yo, I felt your presence on stage. Kasi kanina, kahit hindi ko nakita yung kabuuan ng performance mo, nakita ko kung paano ka nag-perform kasama si Coach Bamboo, at hindi ko naramdaman na na-intimidate ka. And that says a lot about your character at kung paano ka pa mag-perform in the future. So, welcome to Team Supreme. Welcome to Team Supreme.
Bye.
Good job.
There we go.
Wow.
Hello, hello.
Hello po.
Nice.
Ano pangalan mo?
I'm Pia po.
Hi, Pia. So, Pia, ano ang trabaho ng magulang mo?
Ang trabaho po ng parents ko po is beekeeping. Nag-aalaga po sila ng bees.
Okay.
Yes.
One of my best friends does that. He does that as well.
Is he still with us?
nag-enjoy ako. What's that?
Is he still
He's still with us, right? I mean,
Beekeeper? Yeah, yes, he is.
I'm just checking. He's very sweet, right? Sweet guy. Sweet.
He is a sweet guy. He's gonna appreciate this. He's gonna, yeah. And a great musician as well. Great musician.
It's the benefit of bees.
Kulit ako ng bata ko.
Honey, okay. So making honey. Honey is good for health.
Yes.
Yung beekeeping nyo, is it near, may farm kayo, malapit sa ano nyo?
Actually
Bahay
po,
nyo?
meron po kaming alaga sa rooftop po namin.
Ang ganda. Well, thank you for sharing that. Congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
Umikot si Coach Casey for you, and I know why she turned for you. It was that last section of that song, no? Na lumipad ka. Kinailangan mo ng warm-up eh. Kasi nung umpisa, medyo choppy yung tubig eh, no? Consistency was not there, right? Pero nung lumipad na, I was so happy. So, you deserve to be on this show. Thank you, Coach KZ.
Thank
All
you
right?
so
Welcome
much.
to Team Supreme. Yeah. Coach, and you are definitely steel material.
Oh.
I'll let you know right there, okay?
He has
so
stung.
If something happens along the way, I'll be checking on you.
The bamboo has
Thank you.
stung.
Maybe you'll be stung by bees, so you know. Charot lang.
Ano nangyari? I've been stung by bees.
Have you?
Yeah, I have. At hindi lang isang bee, it's like a whole hive.
Hi, Pia.
Hello po.
Ito, allergic sa bees yan. So, buti hindi umiikot.
Obviously.
I love Coach Bamboo. I love the energy.
Parang allergic talaga ako sa bees because I should have turned. Ang ganda talagang boses mo. Your voice, and now I'm looking at you, this is the whole reason why we're so lucky to be here on The Voice Teens. To hear your voice and the singers like you, you are really a rarity dito sa The Voice Teens.
Thank you so much.
And you're gonna go very, very far. I'm sorry I didn't turn. Maybe I'm allergic to bees. But you really are on your way to bigger and better things. And you have a great coach with Coach KZ. So,
Yeah.
Hello po.
tama si Coach Bamboo kanina. Medyo sa sobrang kabado mo, parang medyo nagpuputol-putol. Feeling ko hindi mo sinasadya eh. Pero one thing that I really liked about your performance, no matter what happened within the performance, yung may mga napuputol, may mga hindi, never kang bumitaw sa storytelling mo. I was on that journey with you. Kaya yung ibang mga technical na bagay, hindi ko na masyadong napansin kasi nandun na ako eh. Nakatawid na ako. Nawala na yung ano, I took off my thinking hat and my critical coach hat and I was just with you in that performance. So, maraming salamat sa iyong napakagandang kanta.
And she's so pretty.
Yes, and I'm
Thank you
super
so much
excited
po.
to be working with you sa Team Supreme!
She's coming to you.
She goes to you. I like that.
Well, we know who she was gonna choose.
Lalaban tayo. Lalaban tayo. Doon tayo sa gitna para magandang ilaw. Okay, handa ka na bang lumaban?
Yes po. Thank you, Coach K.
We'll do our best.
Here we go. Here we go.
Gaya-gaya to.
Hello. Hi po.
Pang-cute mo naman, may bangs pa siya. Anong pangalan mo?
Ako po si Sabrina Milyar po.
Bukod sa pagkanta, ano pang mga ibang hobbies mo?
Ang iba ko po pong hobbies is naggagawa po ako ng song covers. Doon po sa isa ko pong cover is kasama ko po yung kapatid ko po. Gusto niyo po ba makita yung video?
Sure.
Sige. Oh my gosh! Play.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So sabihin mo, kakanta na talaga tayo. Kakanta na tayo tayo. Sigaw tayo. Tapos sigaw yung kakanta namin.
Cute naman.
Ang cute niya naman dalawa.
Adorable.
Oo. Oh my gosh. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga kung saan ako nagsimula. Doon ako nabubuhay eh. Nung college ako, doon ako nakakakuha ng extra money para hindi na ako humingi sa parents ko dahil sabay kami ng kapatid kong nag-college. So, pag wala akong klase, nagigig ako sa mga bar, tapos nagko-cover kami ng mga kanta. But I always make sure na whenever I sing someone else's song, I still make it my own. Na they will remember it for my version, not just because it's just another cover. Yun. And yun yung narinig ko sa'yo ngayon. Na parang it sounded like your song, it sounded like you already recorded this song. Merong personality yung boses mo, the way you even deliver the lines. Meron ka mga, yung, alam mo yung nakatalikod ako, pero nakangiti ako kasi parang na-imagine kita, na-imagine kita na ganun yung pinapakita mo. So, kaya hindi ko na napigilang umikot talaga. Kasi gusto kong, I wanna see you perform. I wanna hear you perform. So, ayun. Sana piliin mo ako, maging coach mo.
Ayun na.
Kasi mas madami pa tayong covers na gagawin and in the future, maybe originals naman. So, ayun.
Yeah.
Umikot ako kasi it was just so interesting. Yung mga words, no? So interesting, so different, so weird. So, yung the way...
Good way.
In a good way, no? I say those in a good way. Na... Yun ang mga gusto ko eh. Yung mga artist na may malaking question mark sa ulo na nakita ko na parang, wow! Nagugulat ako eh. Na paano mo iniipit yung boses mo, paano mo dinideliver. It sounds so different, weird, interesting.
In a good way.
In a good way. Right? So I enjoyed that. Kaya nga yung part na medyo lumaki yung kanta, gumaganto ako, sabi ko, relax lang. Hindi mo kailangan lumaki kasama mo ba yung kanta kasi nag-iiba eh. Nag-iiba na. And parang nahuli mo. Parang nahuli mo na said, chill, relax na lang, sumabay ka doon eh. Diba? So, ginawa ko, pumikit na lang ako. Tapos naki-vibe na lang ako eh. You know, sumayaw na lang ako dito. No? Naramdaman kita lang. Naging performance. Yun ang gusto ko eh. Diba? Na tra-transport mo, nadadala mo ako sa ibang lugar. So, interesado ako sa what more we can do. Right? And I think babagay ka sa Camp Kawayan.
Tama siya. Nag-enjoy talaga yung performance kanina. I almost forgot to press the red button. Ako yung pinakahuling nag-press ng red button, no? Because nag-enjoy ako. At I expected ako makita yung kapatid mo. Sa boss, yung kapatid, yung size at yung cuteness ng kapatid mo, nasa boses mo. It's unique. Yan, mahirap hanapin yung voice na unique. palagi naman yung mga teen artist ang parang ginagaya nila yung ibang boses. Yung sa'yo, napaka-unique. Why don't we vlog this moment? We should vlogitize it, yeah?
Wow, you're a vlogger now.
I'm a vlogger!
Wow.
I have no idea what I just said.
Ito yung paandar niya ngayon.
So, yeah, I'm sure your sister wants to see this moment, yeah? All right, let me do this vlog.
Opening. Hey guys, welcome to...
Hey guys, welcome to The Voice Teens. I'm your vlogging guy. The vloggiest of all the vloggers. Here, there's Coach Casey, Team Supreme. There's Coach
guys.
Bamboo. That's him. That's the guy.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Camp Kawayan. And here's... Where is she? There she is.
Up,
That's Sabrina. She's about to choose my team. And, sheesh.
No pressure, no pressure.
So how do you think your performance went?
I'm happy po sa performance ko. And lalo na po...
Pero dapat ganun yung vlog, yung gumagalaw? Hindi.
Hindi naman po.
Sorry, ibang movie yan. Brockheimer.
Happy po ako sa performance ko po. Lalo na po, kinompliment niyo po akong 3 coaches. Yes po.
Exciting tong moment para sa'yo?
Yes po.
Oh, that's great. How
Talk
about
to your
that band? Aren't they wonderful?
Yeah.
So I don't know how to end the vlog. The vlogs never end.
Don't forget to click subscribe, parang ganon.
Don't forget to click and subscribe. Hit the like button.
And share.
And share. Slay.
Dalawa naman kayo ng kapatid mong nagbabanding palagi. Meron akong GZ na ibibigay. Gift certificate from Team Supreme na movie passes para makabanding mo yung kapatid mo at yung family mo. Ayan. Oy, pero no pressure Ano lang, it's just a gift from me to you. Kasi feeling ko matutuwa ang buong family mo. Now, it is your time to think about your decision. Sino ba? Ano bang team ang gusto mong mapuntahan? You wanna be part of Martin, Camp Kawayan, or Team Supreme?
Make your choice, Sabrina.
Kaninong Riz naman kaya?
Now, it is your time to think about your decision. Sino ba? Ano bang team ang gusto mong mapuntahan? You wanna be part of Martin, Camp Kawayan, or Team Supreme?
Make your choice, Sabrina.
Pinipili ko pong coach na ito kasi po, alam ko pong mag-i-improve po ako. And mas magagawa ko po yung style ko po sa pagkanta.
Okay.
Ang pinipili ko pong coach ay si...
Decide na siya!
Si Coach Bamboo po.
Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for the faith. Welcome to Camp Kawayan. Right? I'll say, we'll take a photo. Yep. So interesting. Arina, thank you.